Okay, so this is the rear head, rear intake, rear exhaust. Here, that one's a lot shorter.
Sure.
You're making this harder and harder to do each time.
I know you love a challenge.
Yeah, just what I don't need. Alright,
Yeah, let me get some light.
put those flush. Yeah. That's a lot of grinding. Again. Alright. Now this one we don't have any valve yet. So where's your two other valves at?
I think they're back in there. I'm not sure.
Me either. Do you have more valves?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
So the valve shims on the exhaust side here. We're losing all our mock-up for valve train. So you're going to clamp these two here?
I thought it was this one, to be honest.
Roll rear. The problem is we got more than one set of valves sitting in here. We have these, we have these, we have these and these. So you think these two are the other guys?
I think, but I don't know.
And these two are yours? They're all rear. It's 24. This one's 25. 25. 25. So they're all the same size. So if you like these two, I'm not going to worry about a tenth being different. We'll go with this set. So we have to mark them for which heads they go on here now, because we got too many out here. Is that on the exhaust or intake? I don't remember. Let's go on that one this time. What am I doing? Clicky springs. Collars. Kibble keepers. That one fell apart. Somebody didn't put no hardware on there. Who was that? too many collars out. So I got 3 collars. These are genuine collar. These are those fancy ass V-twin ones.
Not sure.
Those kibbles I can
Yeah.
remember. Whatever they are, they were different. I think we're going to do Harley collars and kibble keepers. That was the last combo we came up with. But we'll revisit that.
Yeah.
We've already mixed that all up. Alright, and this one here is going to need a lot of work too. Alright, so this one here, I'm going to grind that off of it. And this one over here, that does not go there. How come we have 2 of the same arm? See, now we know how to compare the 2 different arms. We don't care about this one. We just come off of.
That head. We were leaving it in there, and then you were going to compare this one to this one.
Yeah, but I'm mixed up.
That's if you're.
Okay, this is the front intake. This is the one that we just ground on. So those 2 are those. Don't mix them up. Okay. They almost got mixed up. I was doing my best to try to. Okay, I'm going to put the Harley arm back in here. Okay, it was adjusted. Okay, the same height. So we know that if we put them at the same height, we can mark them. We learned that. So now, I can get a pretty good mark. There's my best mark yet on how to fix
Right.
our set of arms. So we just have to figure out new techniques. That technique looked pretty good. I don't know how that matches up to the other one. Because this one was just a guess. Well, the problem is that's marked on the wrong side. I can't see that mark. Makes it harder. Because I cannot see that. I'm on this side.
Can't you swap these around?
Nope. Look at what I did on this side. So basically I go from here to here. That's what we're going to grind initially. I know this side's correct. I know this side here is guessing. But I I can grind this one and look over here and see where it's at. Kind of tell where I'm at. So I'll go ahead and do the same thing on this one. It's a very expensive tool for guessing. Actually, it's a cheap tool because I made it. But I do use a lot of expensive parts. Okay, so now hold it. Pin didn't work very well. That looks much better, see?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we look at the arm. Go over here and duplicate. Oh, that's a piece of crap. The first thing I do, I gotta grind a piss out of this so I can even get to the arm. Looks like we already had a mark kind of on there. I'll go by that for now. I can see how tall that is and see how deep that is, and I cut it down about half and duplicate. Alright, so I'm going to take both of these two and do them both. Sharp. Okay, so this was the one that we had light cutting.
You're gonna square up the plate again
Square it to what?
to the disc.
We don't know what it needs to be until I cut it. You have to make a cut. You know where you're at. First cut. Cut deeper. A little more on the inside. Starting point. There's our original mark. A little bit of area to go off of. Not very even, but something to start with. These things are so far out of whack, it's hard to judge what you're doing and not doing. Okay, now this one's a mess. Got a big hump on that one. We got a big turd over here that we don't like. At least I don't like it. So we can get rid of the turd first, or at least some of it. There's a big turd. little better. New technique. Put a big flat halfway in the middle and make it look better. Time to go by. You really like it more on the top. A little bit closer. All right, see you happen.